The routines are amazing the way I've been able to set them up. We keep adding new features to those. The whole purpose of this is to get things that you're doing manually off of your manual list and having it do it for you automatically. As you guys go through the nurturing process of a lead, changing statuses, changing values within your database as it progresses through the process is invaluable. You're wasting less time having to edit your contacts. Same type of thing whenever you're going through a listing. As the listing progresses from listing to until I've got a signed agreement, or from the signed agreement all the way to or contract, all the way from contract to close, there are things that happen and you're updating the records in your database. You don't need to do that anymore. You can let routines do it for you through actions and checklist items through that system. Simplifies everything. You have to spend the time ahead of time to set up your routines. I get it, but you're paying yourself back in investing in that time initially in the back end, because you can now scale your business at a rate that you've never been able to do before.